The reflection is just shit. Ugh. Wire as usual. Wow. Whew. This is the kind of view you would see in like Asheville, North Carolina. But wow, like look at this. This is just... Oh. This is cool. Alright guys, I am back at, where are we? Allegany, at the Roscoe cross-country ski and mountain bike area. So I'm going to explore these loops and go off-road anywhere that I feel so. But today I'm riding. It is a nice cool afternoon on my Begode Extreme. It should be able to handle all these off-road areas. Got some bright greens in here. Things are blooming. Whew. There it is. Locked and barbed wire as usual, but I heard there is more. Last time I ran out of battery about here, so this is our starting point, so let's go. It's 80 degrees out, but I get cold when riding. Back. Quite the long journey ahead of us. Let's see how this place is. The trail's so thin, my feet are just getting waxed by all the grass. Wow, the greenery in here is just like blooming right now. Really get that forest exploration feel. Nice. This is so fun. It's been a while since I haven't been on a trail that isn't completely destroyed. I think there's an overlook. It's kind of like an overlook. Uphill is just so easy. It must be fun to snowmobile in the winter. I feel like I'm covering some good ground. Whew, look at all those butterflies. Alright, I need to stop and tinkle. I got one old power pad and one new one. I broke the other one in half. Christian Hollow. I think this is where we're going. Oh, it's this way. Oh my god, oh my god. Whoa. Oh, this is so nice. These little lanes. Lots of green here. Not a lot of flowers, but it has its own vibe. I just get locked in and I just want to speed as fast as I can. I'm going like 25 to 30, depending on the section. See just like the green differences between the grass and that tree and these. Oh, we got, it looks like a new log cabin. Shelter, in case you can't make it out. And here, oh, look at that. That's some like Blue Mountain stuff. This is the kind of view you would see in like Asheville, North Carolina. First obstacle, not even that bad. You notice, usually my first obstacles are absolutely obnoxious. I actually don't even need to get off the wheel. I hate brushing up against stuff because I just get a bunch of ticks. But wow, like look at this. This is just, you know, one of those fairy tales. Like someone's gonna peek out of that tree and be like, come here, got something to show you. I could do this. There we go. All right, it's full on sprinkling right now. So for those that don't know, electric unicycles are not good in the mud because if you can't grip, it can't balance. Oh, there's a deer. Oh, there's a couple of them. Well, there's not many other options to go, so I guess we'll just go this way. My shoes are like soaked. I have no idea where I'm going. This is slippery. I'm on the side of a mountain. The grass is wet. But look at these beautiful views. I should apply for a job to clear these trails, but they get paid per trail. They'll think I'm going by foot, but I actually just attach razor blades to my wheel and just jet through. But wow, you got that done quick. Yep, so I did. Like, is this even a path? Is this even a path? I feel like I'm just going off-road now. That mushroom. This is just so fun to go through. I don't even know where I'm going. Ooh. I don't know what that was from. Dude, I don't even know how long I've been on this trail. I feel like I've gone over the state line into Pennsylvania. Look at those mushrooms. Wow. It's like a ladder. I am 12 miles into this trail. And we're back. Yeah, this is a forest. There's like, at least on the, because Allegany Forest goes over the border of Pennsylvania and New York. But on the New York side, it's a state park. And there is very little to no development within it, so it's like kind of untouched. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, this is fun. First opening in probably like 20 miles. Oh, I love these like nature right-of-ways. Wow. Just cut right through. But look at that. It's like the border between Canada and the United States or something. Whoa, look at those trees. What the? Whoa. I'm just gonna catch some wind. Oh, dude, look at this. Thank you, Thomas Kelly, for this covered bridge. Beautiful. Looks so nice over here. It's actually nicer that it's foggy out right now. Wow. All right, let's circle it. Get some views. Wow. It's like a drive-in one. Whoa. Wow. You can see the reflection is just butter. Wow. Amazing. Wow, this is like so nice. Steep graded bicycle is recommended. Look at that. Can't even really see it, but there's a waterfall right behind there. I wish I could explain how maintained this park has been. It is pretty pristine. Oh, I see a path to the creek. Oh, look at this magic wasteland. Got a creek, swimming hole. Wow, dang, we got a string. Got a bathroom. Oh my gosh. Hey, buddy. I want to ride my electric unicycle in the Everglades just so I could go like down miles and miles and miles of these decks. Let's see if we get the camera through there. Oh. So any people watching my videos that know me, just remember, this is a 1 hour drive you could do after work any day of the week. There's more over there? I see him peeking me. There's another one. Jeez, how many are there? There's a little baby here. There's one right there. Nice little waterfall. Wow. Some cool views. Got this nice little view here. Wow. Man, this road looks so nice. Here's the falls I wanted to go to. Think I could get there on the unicycle. Oh. Nice down here. Whew. Wow. Oh, the places you'll go. Wow. This is some nature if I've ever seen it. Going to be a slight challenge getting back out of here. Think I could get up this? I can. 4-mile hiking trail. Let's go. Let's see what's there. In the interiors. Nice country trail. Wow. Such a beautiful trails. Oh my gosh. This is a fun little environment. Look at this. Little bunny hill hops. I think we're good. I'm gonna keep going. Oh, he's gonna get up to my knees again. Yeah, this doesn't make a good argument that this would be a good military vehicle. This shit. Ugh. And we are making ground in this jungle. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, prickly, prickly. I'm all in pricklies. Ow. Stupid stump. No pain. Ooh. Damn, they need to remove these stumps. That's a thorn bush. Ah. Well, I am on some high ground, so we have just weaved into something cool. Looks like there's like this is like the peak of the hill. Can I even get up this? Oh, is this literally impassable? Well, the plan here is gonna be we'll just whew. Got a lot of fun ones today. Yeah, it's only 4 miles until you get lost in the 7 other trails it intersects with. Whew. I think it's the most times I've fallen on a trail ever. Woo! Oh. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm going. This thing is honestly a powerhouse. I can't believe have taken it this far today. Oh. Let me guess how many ticks I have on me, and it's probably going to be somewhere between 6 and 12. I can't even honestly get through this. I mean, I'm gonna, but if I get stuck halfway, I'm gonna be. And I'm just gonna see some other stuff. As you can see, I am absolutely covered in stuff. There's definitely gonna be some ticks. It's raining pretty good. I'm starting to get soaked though. It is wet out here. There's the lake on the way back. Looking real good right now. Wow. So good. Look at those lily pads. Hi dear. Uh-huh. This is cool. Alright, so no defacing this thing. Fine with me. Wow. I got the double view. I got over there. I got over there. Perfect. All right, guys, that concludes my ride through Allegany. I'll probably be back. I mean, I probably didn't explore all of it. This was just what I could get in my 50 miles of charge. Right on the corner from my car, but this is very fun. You know, if you live in Buffalo, this is 1 hour. You could do this after work every single day if you really want. So just trying to show off the nice areas, especially how nice it looks during sunset. Very, very nice. So yeah, that concludes today. See you guys later.